In the highly competitive world of business, it is important that you market your business in as many ways as possible. The problem is there are more than one way to reach your potential customers. Many people have been trained to look only for print ads in newspapers or magazines when advertising. Some even think that all advertising is expensive. This is simply not true. The real cost is in not devoting as much time and energy to marketing. In this video we will discuss how you, as a small business owner, can save thousands of dollars by focusing your marketing efforts in the most creative manner possible. Many businesses are losing thousands of dollars each year in direct marketing efforts. There are many ways to market your business, such as direct mail, print ads, radio ads, and web marketing. The problem is that it is often easy to spend money on one particular avenue, but very hard to find a product or service that will meet your needs. One of the ways to save thousands of dollars is to explore digital marketing. Digital marketing can really be divided into three categories. 1. Social media sites. While social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok are considered by many to be expensive, they are considered to be the best way to reach your potential customers. This can easily be done with a marketing assistant that can help you schedule the work. Social media sites let you schedule your posts so they are coming out just as you are signing in and out of the system. 2. Applying social media as a lead generation method. Social media is considered a social medium, so you can use it to build sales and leads. If you schedule your posts in advance, you can send out tweets to build interest. If you are planning a sweepstakes, you can create a sweepstakes entry page that will offer a free prize if people would check out. If you are promoting a special event, you can create an event page and give away free tickets to the event. 3. Applying social media as a marketing method. This is a great way to promote your products and services. You can build excitement about your business and your products or services and send out tweets and post a link to your special offers or a short video with your website. You can send out RSS feeds to your followers and build your list of people who are interested in what you have to offer. You can also use social media as a tool to market your services. If you are selling a service, you can make a podcast and post it on your social media site and also use it as a marketing tool to promote the service. If you are a coach or a consultant, you can make a video series and use it as a marketing tool. Social media is considered a tool that is great for building relationships and, in this case, spreading awareness about your business. Social media has become a great way to create buzz. If you are looking to build awareness about your business, make a blog and post articles on it about your services or about your business. You can also take podcast from social media and use it as a marketing tool. Social media has become a great way to market your services. You can also promote live events or teleclasses at your site and use RSS feeds to notify your followers about the event. Please subscribe to our newsletter for latest tips about digital marketing at sekaibusiness.com.